Hello guys, it's me again, Mr. J from WordHero, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a feature in our WordHero editor called Content Ideas. This tool generates content ideas based on a general topic that you input on the tool. This will help you pinpoint a perfect focus for your article or blog or anything that you're writing using the WordHero editor. Before I show you how to locate and use this tool, of course, you need to have your WordHero account first. Go to the link down in the description of this video. You should be able to see our website down there. Once you click on it, just create your own account, log it in, and you should be able to see our WordHero homepage right here. Like I mentioned, this tool is a feature for the WordHero editor. And for you to access the WordHero editor, all you need to do is just click this pencil icon. This is the editor. Once you click on that, you should be able to see the WordHero editor page here. For you to locate the content idea tool, all you need to do is click this bulb icon right here. As you can see, it says idea, generate, and save content ideas for later. If you just want to brainstorm ideas for your topics or future topics, then just go ahead and click this tool. I'm going to do that right here. And as you can see, I still don't have any ideas yet because this is the first time I'm using this tool as well. But all you have to do to create your ideas is just click this plus button right here. And once you click on that, you should be able to see two text box here. One is for the content type and one is your short description, right? As you can see, content type, you can drop down. There is supposed to be a drop down menu here, but it says coming soon, so we're going to try and update you when this is live. But the most important text box that we can use right now here is the short description. So for example, you want to generate idea about dog type, so just type that in, just click this big blue button or press enter, and let's see what content ideas we have for dog type. Okay, from wolf to woof, the perfect pup for you, doggy DNA, and common dog breeds. Okay, very nice. So we can just go ahead, click those, or as you can see, there's another button here where you can send a topic or an idea straight to Advanced Writer. So let's just go ahead and pick one first. From wolf to woof, tracing the evolution of dogs. Okay, that's good. The perfect pup for you. All right, so if you're trying to create a blog that describes the perfect dog for a specific person or a type of person, then of course you can use this. We have doggy DNA, secrets behind pure breeds. Okay, uncommon dog breeds. Okay, so if you want to discuss uncommon dog breeds, then of course this is a topic for you. And I'm going to show you how to actually use one of these topics for our Advanced Writer. By the way, guys, if you don't know what the Advanced Writer is, there is a video for that. I think the last video is the Advanced Writer, so just check that out on the channel. It's also good to note that before you put this in your Advanced Writer, you can actually edit this first, right? So just click on a topic, then just go ahead and edit it, right? You can delete, change words, change punctuation, add sentences, all of that stuff you can do in this small text box right here. Now, let's say I'm going to use the wolf to woof idea, and I'm going to put it on Advanced Writer. So just click this button here. It's up. It's basically saying to send to Advanced Writer. So just let's do that. There you go. We have the content idea on our Advanced Writer. So from here, you can do all of that stuff that is mentioned on the previous video. Of course, you can use GPT-4 or enhanced mode. You can generate a content brief based on this content idea. You can add additional options. Again, this is a drop down menu where we can what type of tool you're going to use or what type of article you're going to write. Okay, there you go. We have now the content brief from the title. Of course, it's using this as the title. We have content type, language. Of course, you can change the language, article summary, target audience, of course, animal lovers, right? History enthusiasts, dog owners, okay, all of that stuff. And we have the outline of the article that we can generate all just by creating a content idea. So if you have a topic in mind that you want to create content with, just type it in this tool, generate your idea, of course, send it to an advanced writer, and let WordHero write full article for you. For me, I'm not going to do that because it will take me 15 minutes just to write all of this, right? Using the advanced writer. But if you are satisfied with what you have here, then go ahead and click the big blue button, and voila, you can use this content for your blog, for your post, or for whatever article that you are writing or working on. So that is basically it for this feature, content ideas. Very short and simple. Just by having an idea, you can generate a full blog or article. Just a few clicks, just sending it to WordHero Advanced Writer, and then let WordHero create your work for you. If you like this tool so far, or if you like this feature so far, then go ahead and click that like button. It will help us out a ton. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on new features just like this, then go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Also, click that notification bell if you want to get notified whenever we upload new videos. If you want to follow us in all of our social media accounts, you can do that in the links down in the description. And of course, if you want to create your WordHero account, then go ahead and go to the website in the description as well. That is it for me, guys. Once again, my name is Mr. J, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.